Want to get birds of a feather to flock together to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom, also a proverb today, is birds of a feather flock together. Now, this is an idiom that's been around since at least 1545, when William Turner used it in a piece called Rescuing of the Romish Fox, the Romish fox, like I guess a fox that roams around. But it wasn't until 1599 that it became used in its present form. He had a slightly different version of it, but very close. It said basically that birds of a kind and color flock and fly always together. And that became birds of a feather flock together. Probably because it rhymes and sounds a little bit, it flows a little more smoothly. What can we take from this and learn from this and apply to our business? Now, if you've been in business any amount of time, and if you've been living any amount of time, you've seen examples of like attracting like. People are attracted to people that are like them in some way, shape, or form. People that they know, like, and trust, we're attracted to, and of course, then we want to do business with them. Think of politics. Political parties attract people of similar beliefs and ideas. Congregations and churches attract people of similar spiritual beliefs. Industries attract people with certain skill sets and ideas of how to create value in the world. Different industries attract different types of people. You know, I can never see me being a steel worker, but I made a pretty darn good engineer. Clubs and groups and associations and organizations and societies are created, and people flock to them for relationships and camaraderie and for a sense of belonging. Of all sorts, of all types, of anything we can imagine. There's probably an association, a group, a society, or a club that embraces that thing. The most obscure hobbies, the most obscure likes and dislikes, now with the advent of the internet, and the internet being such an important part of so many billions of people's lives, it's easy to find people of similar interests, people that are like us in some way, shape, or form. The days of thinking we're the only one that believes something or feels a certain way are pretty much over with the internet. We can always find like-minded people and group them together. Social media makes it easy for us. Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, different pages for different interests. It's easy to find the people that are interested in the things that you're interested in. So guess what? That makes it easy for us to find the people that we're here to serve, the people that are most likely and need what it is that we have to offer the most. We can use the same birds of a feather flocking together belief and thought process to attract the people we want to our business, the people we want to serve and help and make their life better. And we can repel, literally repel, like bug repellent, the people that aren't right for our products and services. Depending on what you sell, what you provide for services, it isn't for everybody. I remember early in business thinking, everybody needs ice, everybody needs fireworks, everybody needs whatever it was I was involved with for a business. Everybody needs games. I worked at game stores. I mean, there's all different things that when we're new to business and new to the world, we think that everyone on the planet can benefit from our product or service, especially if it's a nutritional product or it's a product that has a wide range of applications or a service that can help a lot of people. But the truth is, it isn't for everybody right now. And it probably isn't for everybody ever, but it definitely isn't for everybody right now. And we want to go out and find the people that need what we have to offer right now, especially in a year like 2020, when, thank goodness it's the last day of the year, but especially in a year like this, when so many things are changing and so many things are just blown up and crazy, it's more important than ever to seek out and find the people that we can help and that we can serve, and only be offering our products and services to them, not to everybody. Curious what your experience has been with this? Have you found it easy to attract the people that you love serving, or are you still struggling with that? If you're still struggling, hit me up, let me know. It's kind of one of the things I love to do. Otherwise, go out, have an absolutely incredible final day of 2020. Count your blessings and what worked well in 2020. Let go of anything that didn't serve you, and pop into 2021 with new, fresh eyes and enthusiasm. And let's make it a fantastic year. Have a great day. I will, of course, be with you tomorrow.